Today I'm going to the tractor showroom. I want to bring a new tractor home. Wow, this new red tractor looks perfect. I think this is the one I want to take home. Here is the full payment for the new tractor. Thank you. Your payment is complete. Here are the tractor keys.
The key is in. Let's start the new tractor. It started perfectly. Now I'll take it home.
The new tractor is running smoothly. I'm taking it home now.
You brought our new tractor home. I'll do the puja first and pray for a safe and happy journey. May this new tractor bring happiness and good fortune to our family. Let everything go safely. These fresh green chilies will be perfect for our sambar.
I've brought all the fresh ingredients from the market. I'm taking them inside for your cooking.
Wow, it's amazing.